class maths. Today I am going to explain S3 constructing circles in block 20. Children, previous class we learned how to construct the circle with the help of compass. Okay. Today, children, see here, I draw here 3 circles. What is same here and what is different? See, same is similar here. What is similar here? Similar is 3 circles have center point. And what is the difference? See, difference is size of the circle is different. See, children, observe you, size of the circle is different. So, how we construct the circle? We construct the circle with the help of compass. So, with the different radius. Different radius, children. Radius means we know, children, center to edge of the circle. That is called radius. So, different radius. This is small radius, it is little big, and it is different. So, that means what you need to construct the circle, you need to construct the circle radius. If we know the radius, then only we can construct the circle. Now, once again I am drawing the circle here. Now, this is center of the circle O. Drawing here radius. What is radius, children? Center point, the line segment, if we draw center point, center of the circle to edge of the circle. This is called radius. BC. Here OA is radius, then BC is, if we join the drawn line segment from the one edge to another edge of the circle, that line segment passes from the center of the circle. Center of the circle. So that is called what? Diameter. This is diameter. This is radius. Okay, children, now here OA is radius. Suppose radius is within 3 centimeter. Radius is 3 centimeter. Then diameter will be how much, children? I draw here diameter. This also diameter. Now AD is diameter. Why? Because it is passing from the center of the circle. DA is diameter. So now OA is 3 centimeter. Then OD is how much, children? OD is how much? OD also 3 centimeter. Suppose I am taking example. OA is 3 centimeter. Then OD is 3 centimeter. Why? So, if you draw anywhere, yesterday I showed, children, roughly I showed center of the circle. If you draw from center to edge of the circle, it is called radius. If any radius if you draw from center of the circle, the length will be same. Here, if you draw anywhere radius, the length will be same. First, I draw here OA here radius. The length is 3 centimeter. Suppose if I draw here, then this also length is how much? 3 centimeter. Now this also, OB also 3 centimeter. OC also 3 centimeter. Then BA is how much, children? OA is 3 centimeter. Then DA is, DO is 3 centimeter. Then DA is how much? DA. We can say DA is 6 centimeter. How? 3 plus 3 is 6 centimeter. Yes? I hope you understood. DA is how much? 6 centimeter. 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay? Or you can say diameter is twice of radius. Okay, we can say diameter is twice of radius. Okay, dA is how much? 6 centimeter. Now suppose now OA I take 4 centimeter. OA is 4 centimeter, means OD is how much children? OD also 4 centimeter. OA is 4 centimeter, then OD also 4 centimeter. Then DA is how much children? DA is 8 centimeter. DA is equal to 8 centimeter. Why it is 8 centimeter? This is diameter. The diameter is twice of radius. Diameter is 2 times of radius. Understood children? Twice of radius means diameter is 2 times of radius. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter means 8 centimeter. Okay. Now for example, suppose diameter is equal to, I take example, diameter is equal to 10 centimeter. Then radius is equal to how much? Diameter is equal to, for example, I take diameter is equal to, here DA. DA is equal to 10 centimeter means radius is how much? Here OD is radius and OA is radius. I am taking DA is equal to 10 centimeter. Then radius is how much children? Radius is 5 centimeter. How? Diameter is 2 times of radius. That means here diameter is 10 centimeter means half is radius. So radius is how much? 5 centimeter. Okay. Now open your workbook. Now give you workbook service. Write date 18/1/2021. S3 constructing circles. First question, construct circles with the given measurements. Also fill in the blanks. First A bit, radius is 2 centimeter. Radius is 2 centimeter. Then diameter is how much children? Diameter is 4 centimeter. How? Diameter is 2 times of radius. You know children, now only I explain on board. Now draw circle. How much you have to take to construct the circle? Radius. To construct the circle you need radius. What you need children? Radius. Now take with the help of compass, take measurement 2 centimeter. Take from 0, otherwise you take like this, 0 to 2 centimeter. See children, exact 2 centimeter. Okay. First mark the point. See this compass sharp point is there, no, coincide to on this point. Hold the compass here children. Okay, where you have to hold? Here you have to hold the compass. Don't turn the book. You have to turn only compass. Rotate like this compass. This is 2 centimeter. This is radius. OA is radius. How many centimeter it is? 2 centimeter. This is diameter. BC. If you measure diameter, see children, how many centimeter it is? 4 centimeter. Okay. Now B bit, D bit you do it as homework. Now I will show C bit. Here C bit, here diameter is given, children. Diameter is how much here? Diameter is equal to 7 centimeter. Then radius is how much? Tell me, children. This is I explain now on board. See, radius is 7 centimeter. Diameter is 7 centimeter. Radius is how much? Radius is half of the diameter. Radius is half of diameter. Now diameter is 7 centimeter, means radius is how much? 3.5 centimeter. Half. Or you can divide 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 1.0. 2 5s are 10. So 3.5. 7 half is 3.5. So if you given diameter, what you have to do? First you have to find the radius, then you have to construct the circle. Don't take this measurement, children. Okay? You have to find radius and then construct the circle. Now you have to 3.5. 3.5 means 0 to, this is 3 centimeter, and 0.5 means that small line count till 5. Okay? So this is 3.5. Now measure, children. See, 3.5. Diameter 3.5 centimeter. Diameter is how much? 7 centimeter. Okay. Now second question. A circle of radius is 2 centimeter is drawn. If we increase the radius by 10 centimeter, what would be the diameter of the circle? See, the circle is 2 centimeter. If we take, I am taking this example, circle is 2 centimeter. This, if we increase the radius 10 centimeter, what is the diameter? Then if we increase the 10 centimeter means 2 plus 10 is 12 centimeter. Then how much it will be radius? Radius will be 12 centimeter after increasing 10 centimeter. Then diameter is 24 centimeter. How it will be? Then the radius is 10 centimeter. Then diameter is double of radius. So 12 plus 12 is 24 centimeter. See, I am writing here. Radius is 2 centimeter. If radius is increase more 10 centimeter, that means 2 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. Already 2 centimeter is there. If you increase 10 centimeter, it will be 12 centimeter. 12 double is how much? Then diameter is equal to 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter to make it double. So 24 centimeter. Okay. Now third question. What happens to a circle as its radius increase? If the radius increase, what will happen, children? The size of the circle increase and diameter also increase. So if the radius increase, the diameter also increase, and size of the circle also increase. Okay, I hope you understood. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.